Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Galaxy S21 Ultra ArmadilloTek Vanguard series case here. So we can see it is military grade rugged protection. This is the red case that I'm going to be checking out here. I do have the black one, so if you're wondering how I'm reviewing the case and taking it out of the box at the same time, it's because I've actually been using this case in another color. I did purchase this on Amazon, and one cool thing we get here is a looks like a handwritten letter from the ArmadilloTek owners, just thanking you for purchasing the case and supporting a small business. And it gives you the thing to go on there. You can register your warranty and that kind of stuff. So that's a nice touch. I do talk to the owner on Twitter, and he is a very cool guy. So definitely check out ArmadilloTek. It is a small business, family owned in Texas. So definitely help support them. They are good people. This case right here, as you can see, is red, like I said. So we're going to peel it apart here and go ahead and get it put on my Galaxy S21 Ultra. Very easy to install. All you have to do is separate the inner piece here from the back piece and go ahead and put that on the phone. It just snaps around the edges, and then put the phone back in the rubber piece. It's easier if you put it in bottom first, because the little edge there will catch where the charge port is. So put the bottom in first and then just go around the edges and snap everything back together. Make sure you have a nice tight seal around the edges, and then last but not least, just push in the charge port cover and you're good to go. On the back here we've got a nice kickstand which snaps into place and allows you to stand your phone up either in portrait or landscape mode if you want to watch a video or a movie or something like that. Snaps into place here. You just push it down, it clips back in. It doesn't rattle around very much, as you can hear. Nice tactile buttons. We've got a nice raise around the camera bump right there, so it protects your cameras. Very large speaker cutout and microphone cutout right there on the bottom, as well as a flap covering the USB-C port to protect that. Raised edges to protect your screen, microphone cutouts on the top, and just overall a very nice case. This is the ArmadilloTek Vanguard series. Check them out on Amazon. I'll put the links down in the description, and you can also check out their website, armadillotek.com.